One minute only. Yeah. Type Python download. Python software download. Just click on the first link. Download Python. Yeah, click on this download Python. Yes. Now double click on this. Is downloaded. Now double click on this. Okay. Now you click on this add Python. Wait. Add Python. Yeah. Now click on install above one. Install now. You see this here. Click on that. Select it. Are you getting off? Yeah. Correct. Good. Now your Python is installing on your system. Okay. Let me share you this code. Um, how I can share? Okay. Let me upload this code. Okay. I think it is installed. Yeah. Close it. Okay. Can you just open the command prompt? Okay. Open the command prompt. Yeah. Now just type Python space hyphen v hyphen version. Okay, you can control C, you press control C, control Z. Okay. Exit, type exit there. Are you able to exit it? Type exit, control Z, press the control Z. Okay. You close this, open the new terminal. Close this, open a new terminal. Type Python space hyphen version version. Now enter. Okay. Capital version you try. Python hyphen capital V only. But that's it. Remove the version. Capital V. Enter. See, it is giving you Python 3.8.5. It means that Python is successfully installed on your system. Now, can you go to the GitHub from where we were downloading the code? I've uploaded this code, desktop application one. Right now on number guessing game. I just go to the GitHub. Yes. Refresh it. Refresh it. How you refresh the browser? Not this one. How you refresh the browser? Yeah. See, number guessing game. Click on that. Yes, you can download that folder. Yeah, click on this file. Click on the main.py. You are getting option for download. Okay. Okay, you can do one thing. Copy this whole code. Just select this code first. Yeah. Yes, select it. Yes. Control C. Open a notepad now. Notepad, any of these text editor that you are using is Sublime Notepad. Not there, Notepad. I am going to actually show you how you can run on your local system also if you are unable to access cloud and all. So based on that, you can later on run on the cloud. Yes. Now save it with a number guessing game or like a game.py. Save it game.py. Yes. Save it. Yeah. Now you go to the command prompt. Okay. Whenever you see this file, wait. Whenever you see this file, right click on it. Property. No, not this one. Okay, you can directly running and you can understand here. Now see. Yes. Enter any number. Enter. See. Now what you understand? The number that you have decided and the system has decided is different. System decided a number greater than the number that you decided. Now select any other number between 5 to 9. See, it is saying that your guess is still low, means the numbers decided by your system is greater than your. So press any number between 7 to 9. Oh, where is the cow? Oh, come that. Have you closed that? No, do like. Select a number 7, suppose. Enter. What happened? Are you okay? Wait. Okay, no issue. You open command prompt. Hmm. Type cd desktop because the file is in desktop, so you have to go to that path. Cd desktop D capital. No, D will always be capital in the path. Yes. Now type Python game.py. Now you enter a number, any one of number. You guess a number. Okay. Enter. It's showing your guess was too high. Guess a number lower than 6. Select any number lower than 6 because system has decided less than that. Enter. Your guess is too high. Again select any number less than 3. It means that 2 is there. Press 2. Yeah. So like this it works. It will give you hint also that the number decided by system, how far it is from your number. Okay. So like this game runs on a system. So I hope it is clear to you how to run. Is it clear to everyone? Thank you, Bhavya. You can stop sharing now.